All sorts of elements in companies have to communicate with each other and even organize themselves. LIGNA 2019 in Hanover gets companies into gear for network production. So far, automation has usually been about transferring rigid and recurring production processes as completely as possible to machines to increase productivity. Nowadays, it is about having flexible production systems carry out processes which entail varying tasks. That allows businesses to better fulfill their customers' requirements. And despite customized production, to also keep prices low with the options offered by network production. Personalized products can be produced almost as affordably for the customer as mass-produced goods. We see complexity continually increasing in products due to customer requirements. Networked production enables companies to master this complexity. Sophisticated technology also saves resources, for instance with energy-efficient systems or exact calculations for cutting, edge banding and drilling. However, when the majority of production is controlled digitally, the need for staff decreases. I don't see digitalization as a job killer. I actually see digitalization as a method to really produce differently and to be able to produce a very broad variety of products in industry. And that doesn't mean that I all of a sudden need less employees, but rather that I am able to achieve greater complexity with the same employees, perhaps also accompanied by a growth in sales. For the first time, this year's LIGNA shows how smaller businesses can also profit from the technical developments of networked production. Because even single components of the large production lines simplify everyday work. The big players' machine parks should not dissuade workshops from rethinking. For example, the first step towards digitalization can be the use of time recording software. LIGNA 2019 offers industry customers centrally controlled production lines, which can fashion a piece of timber into a finished furniture element in just a few seconds, using networked components. Technical innovations such as 360-degree controls or new, intelligent aggregates make it increasingly possible to master the challenges of woodworking and wood processing. LIGNA presents innovations in network production, in keeping with the notion of man-machine innovation. Tune in to the next episode to find out all about the craft sector and power tools.